Welcome, thrill seekers, to Vacances, your gateway to the ultimate adrenaline rush. Today, we're venturing into the realm of the most terrifying amusement park rides ever created, contraptions designed to push your limits and leave you gasping for air. Prepare to have your heart pounded, your screams unleashed, and your adrenaline levels skyrocket as we explore these nightmarish rides that will haunt your dreams for years to come. Ride 1, the Banshee. Our first stop on this terrifying tour is the Banshee, a roller coaster that will make your hair stand on end. This monstrous contraption boasts a series of stomach-churning drops, sharp twists, and terrifying turns that will leave you disoriented and breathless. As you ascend the towering structure, the anticipation builds, your heart pounding like a drum. Then, in a sudden rush, you're plunged into the darkness, the wind whipping past your face as you scream at the top of your lungs. The Banshee is not for the faint of heart. It's a test of courage that will leave you trembling in your seat. Ride 2, the Haunted House of Horror. If roller coasters aren't your cup of tea, perhaps you'd prefer a more psychological thrill. Then, step right into the Haunted House of Horror, where your darkest fears come to life. As you venture into the dimly lit corridors, the atmosphere grows increasingly tense. Creepy sounds and shadows play tricks on your mind, and every corner seems to conceal a lurking monster. Brace yourself for unexpected scares, sudden drops, and spine-chilling encounters that will leave you questioning your sanity. Ride 3, the Zero Gravity Drop. For those seeking the ultimate adrenaline rush, the Zero Gravity Drop is the ultimate test of courage. This extreme attraction takes you to the edge of human endurance, suspending you hundreds of feet in the air before sending you plummeting towards the ground. The feeling of weightlessness is overwhelming, your stomach dropping as the ground rushes towards you. It's a moment of pure terror, followed by a surge of exhilaration as you're caught safely in the net below. Ride 4, the Cursed Carnival. Prepare to enter a realm of twisted fun at the Cursed Carnival, where nothing is quite as it seems. As you wander through the maze of tents and rides, a sense of unease creeps in. The laughter of clowns echoes through the air, their painted smiles concealing sinister intentions. The rides themselves seem to possess a malevolent life of their own, spinning and twisting with a menacing energy. The Cursed Carnival is a place where nightmares come to life, and you're the unsuspecting victim. Ride 5, the Haunted House of Screams. If you thought the Haunted Asylum was terrifying, wait until you experience the Haunted House of Screams. This macabre abode is a labyrinth of terror, where every shadow conceals a lurking horror and every corner holds the promise of a spine-chilling encounter. As you venture into the depths of this haunted house, you'll find yourself navigating a maze of dimly lit corridors, each one more unsettling than the last. The air is thick with the stench of decay and the whispers of tormented souls. Creepy sounds and eerie apparitions will test your courage to its limits as you face your deepest fears in the most terrifying place imaginable. Ride 6, the Doom Drop. For those seeking the ultimate test of nerve, the Doom Drop is the pinnacle of adrenaline-pumping thrills. This extreme attraction takes you to the brink of despair, suspending you hundreds of feet above a swirling abyss before sending you plummeting towards the water below. The feeling of helplessness is overwhelming as you hang suspended in midair, the ground rushing towards you at an alarming speed. Your heart pounds in your chest, your breath catches in your throat, and a primal fear grips you as you plummet towards the inevitable splashdown. Ride 7, the Twisted Tunnel. If you're claustrophobic, you might want to skip the Twisted Tunnel. This disorienting attraction plunges you into a world of darkness and disorientation, where your senses are overwhelmed and your perception of reality is distorted. As you stumble through the pitch-black tunnel, your hands outstretched in front of you, the walls seem to close in around you, and the air grows thin and oppressive. The only sounds are the faint echoes of your own footsteps and the unsettling drip of water from somewhere unseen. Ride 8, the Hall of Mirrors. Step into the Hall of Mirrors and prepare to lose yourself in a world of endless reflections. This mesmerizing attraction blurs the lines between reality and illusion, leaving you questioning your sanity as you encounter distorted images of yourself and hear the echoes of unseen entities. Ride 9, the Pendulum of Doom. Brace yourself for a heart-stopping ride on the Pendulum of Doom, where you'll cling tightly to your seat as the pendulum swings back and forth at an alarming speed, narrowly missing you. The adrenaline rush is intense as you anticipate each swing, the fear of collision mounting until you're left breathless and trembling. Ride 10, the Cursed Carousel. Conclude your terrifying journey with the Cursed Carousel, a ride that will leave you with a lingering chill. As the carousel slowly spins, its painted horses come to life, their smiles morphing into sinister grimaces, and the air grows cold, leaving you with a sense of dread as you become part of this macabre spectacle. Well, thrill seekers, we hope you've enjoyed our terrifying journey into the world of the scariest amusement park rides ever created. If you're brave enough to face these spine-chilling attractions, then we dare you to seek them out and experience the ultimate adrenaline rush for yourselves. Just remember, once you've entered these realms of terror, there's no turning back.